All right, so now that we got to see the dam in its entirety, now we're gonna head back down to the campground and show you the campground. Really nice place. And this is the Downstream recreational area. And once you go in through the gate, you are in the campground. Now this is a reservation only campground. They don't do walk-ups anymore, and they don't do well, they do same day, but only on a couple spots that they have reserved. I guess that's for emergencies only, but it's completely online and it's completely cashless. So you have to do everything online. Now you can buy firewood here. They have $10 bundle and a $12 bundle, and you can pay cash for that, but almost everything else is completely cashless.
Is this their trash bins?
Yep. It goes further back that way, but our campsite is spot 40, which is up here. And almost all the loops are about the same, and they do have bathrooms, which are very, very clean. And that's our spot right there. So give me a second to get back in. And here's our camping spot. Now none of the sites have their own dedicated water, but they do have water centralized. As far as your power plug options goes, in these spots, because I know that's a biggie, we have a 50 amp plug, a 30 amp plug, and two 110 volt plugs. You have a concrete picnic table and a fire pit, which these do have the cooking grill on them, which makes it very nice. And everybody here loves having boats. There's the Starlink. Great views, especially at nighttime. You can see a lot of stars here. They have these little picnic pavilions, so if you have a group here, you have gigantic grills for those. You have showers, bathrooms. That looks like an old building there. Everything here is clean and meticulous. I like this. They have their big trash cans that you can dump everything into. American flag. Firewood for sale. This is really neat. It's a little RV bookmobile. That just ain't the coolest thing. This is the entrance. If you're into dinosaurs, there's a lot of spots around here you can go and check out old like fossilized and stuff like that. Here's a large map of the campground. This is where we are, number 40, which is really nice. Now they do have a RV pump dump station. It's outside of the park, so when you go back out, you go to the right, it's right over there. Fishing is a massively big thing here, which is pretty cool. And we have our camp host, which is really cool. They have them right here at the front gate. This is the front gate. This is where you're going to check in, check out. You can get your ice, your firewood, all that. And these people are so friendly. Alrighty, now these showers, pretty standard. And they are completely free as long as you're a camper. I do like that they have these little stools here, little hangers, and a little shelf. They have 4 showers on this building, and I'm not sure if there's more showers that way or not, but this is the main shower house. Really nice, really clean. Everything about this place is just so nice and clean. Oh, and another camp host. So they have multiple camp hosts for here. So we are getting ready to head to Glacier National Park. So get ready to see some beautiful locations. There's the April.
Good morning.
Get ready to see some beautiful locations. And if you do come here and stay, just make sure at nighttime you look up because the sky here is beautiful.